In Crime Watch 8, a veteran who served in Iraq says someone stole his van, ditched it a few blocks away, and took off with his computer, rifle, and his work tools.
Yeah, 24 News 8's Tim McNicholas met with him today, and there's more than just the vehicle to the story.
Yeah, that's right. Brett Harbour says he's been living in his van with his dog. He's a sculptor who can't work right now because the thief took off with his chisels, hammers, and saws. Police have not announced any suspects.
He's a 2-year-old pit bull.
This is Tarsh and his owner, Brett Harbour.
Must have shoved a screwdriver in here.
Harbour says the two were watching a friend's house Saturday night into Sunday when someone busted the window of their van near Southeastern and State. He found the van raided with a damaged ignition a few blocks away Sunday afternoon.
I mean, I still kind of feel completely violated. Somebody, at least one person, went through not only my vehicle, but what's been my home for the last year at least.
His main source of income is his art, and he's struggled to find a steady job. IUPUI says Harbour graduated from IU's Heron School of Art in 2012, a few years after serving in Iraq with the Army Corps of Engineers.
Affording things like rent is kind of out of the question.
Harbour says he's been traveling the country in his van over the past year, which helps him cope with his PTSD and anxiety.
It helps me just relax a little bit more, but I've also was looking at work opportunities.
There's obviously a record store first and foremost.
Square Cat vinyl owner Mike Angel launched an online fundraiser Tuesday for Harbour. He describes Harbour as a great guy who's never wronged anyone in Fountain Square.
It's not really fair for somebody like that to have to go through such a hard time, and we just want him to know that his friends love him and we're out here doing something for him.
Harbour is searching local pawn shops for his MacBook Pro or his Marlin 22 long rifle. He says the thief also took his camping gear and some tools passed down from his great-grandfather.
I just wish that they would understand that this kind of a petty crime, the effects that it has on the person who they're stealing from.
Harbour's art is on display across Indianapolis, including a bronze plaque at the State House. If you are interested in pitching into his friend's fundraiser, the link is on wishtv.com. He suspects this thief broke into his van with a screwdriver and also started the van that way. Live in the newsroom, I'm Tim McNicholas, 24 Hour News 8.